Hey everybody, my name is Jeremy and it's pronounced VAG. Today is pretty exciting. We've got a brand new product from Integrated Engineering for the RS6. So we've got the RS6 up on jack stands, or quick jacks in this case, because in these boxes here, we're about to see the first ever reveal of the RS6 Catback exhaust from Integrated Engineering, and I'm pretty excited. So we're gonna get to the unboxing now, and we'll see how it goes. These exhaust tips are pretty meaty and beefy, and any other word that describes this massive chunk of metal. Okay, so quick Easter egg in the middle of the unboxing video. Obviously, we're in the middle of the install on the RS6, and I just thought it would be an opportune time to show you some of what we have going on here with the stock muffler and tips versus the new IE muffler and tips. And you can see the size is a little bit bigger on the IE ones, and they've got kind of this anodized black metal look that's pretty cool. Stamped IE logo there. And as we talked about before, these are the drone traps. They're mathematically designed so that the sound waves cancel each other out and eliminate specific frequencies of drone. Pretty cool technology that IE's got going on. That is all. Should I
missed that, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hello!
I didn't even hear that. Let me see inside there real quick.
Check it out.
Should have the light on, but yeah. Let's, there's some pipes in there, and there's a bug.
Those will fly. TIG welded, heat treated welds on the stainless steel tubing. This is where the connections for the valve motors go. Very nice quality. Cool stamped logo on the rear muffler chamber. Overall, cool looking product, I think. We'll see how the fitment's gonna be in our next video when we get this thing on here. So that's a quick unboxing video for the new Integrated Engineering IE exhaust kit. We're gonna throw a link because we're gonna probably release this video right about the time these things hit the market, and you'll be able to follow the link. It is an affiliate link. This did get sent to us from IE so that we could put it on an RS6 and time it with their release. And also they've sponsored the RS6 on our channel, and the affiliate link helps us continue to produce good content. That all goes to the channel. We put all that money right back into making videos, but we'll still tell you if there's something up with this exhaust, let you know how fitment is when we do the install. And again, we'll show you how it sounds stock versus the new hotness. Almost forgot. Like, subscribe, all the things that help us continue to grow the channel. Much appreciated. Hope you enjoyed this. Looking forward to more. Thanks. Jeremy, out.